Good morning everyone, it is 8 o'clock in the morning and have I got a good one for you. It is a garden transformation in one day. I like my golf, so I've built a pitch and putt sort of mini golf course. But last year I planted all of this tall grass which has fallen down. It looked great for the first 6-7 months, but then when it gets really tall and it rains, it just collapses and falls down on itself and it looks really ugly. And another thing is the leaves are very sharp. So when I'm tending it, cutting it down and back, it's cutting me up. So look at this. All of this is coming down today and we're replacing these with these. Okay, these I planted last year sometime and they're better. They grow fast, they don't need any tending. So we are going to have a dramatic change in the garden today. Here's my koi carp pond. And I am breeding tropical mollyfish, guppies and koi carps. But that's not the story today, you can check that out in my other videos. We will be cutting down all of this stuff that I planted and bringing it back to the beautiful open space that it was before. All of these weeds have totally engulfed the spirit house there, so these are all coming back. I want to keep the fence, privacy, growth here, but these big things will be coming down, so see you in a bit. Oh, we've only been here 5 minutes and all action stations are running at full steam. This here is a little decorative kind of border I made with that horrible grass, so it's all coming out and we're swapping it with that. I'm enjoying a lovely macchiato coffee. So this is all coming out. It's been a year nearly, something like that, and it's horrible. There we go. We are at it. It's not going to take long with these guys, I'll tell you.
Got a call from Michael Kane. Said he's flying in on the fastest train. Always shows up late at night. Turns the party way too bright. Oh, Michael Kane, you're back again. You make me talk, you make me grin. Running, got me wired. I'm never tired, never ever tired. Michael, can you drive me fucking insane? My heart races, I can't explain. Chatting shit with an endless flow. Always ready for action, let's go, go, go. Michael Kane doesn't let me sleep. He whispers secrets way too deep. Party fucking hard till we drop, and I don't think
Okay, it's about
you'll ever stop.
1 hour later. I have finished cutting the putting green for the pitch and putt area. Still a couple of bits to do, but look at the boys, look at the movement, man. Yes, lots of not destruction, organized destruction. Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. And these are the big stumps that they have been removing already, which is brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. Good team this guy. Look at that corner. Aye, that's nice now. Okay, that's the update. Only 1 hour in, only 1 hour. I like this. And as you can see here, these have been taken out already. Brilliant. Right, we are chopping down. This used to be the path. You can see here that you can kind of see it. That's the path that I made, but it's coming along nicely. So these are the ones that we're going to move and put into these places here. You see he's kind of putting them there already. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Alright, I hope you can hear me. These guys are bashing it out again. Stopped for about a 10-15 minute break and then back at it again. They're working around my sand bunkers just now, chopping it all back. It's going to look great, and this guy is going to chop and clear all this stuff along the wall and open it right up again. Lovely jubbly, lovely jubbly. And a quick pan around to see the rest. Looking nice, looking very nice. Very good, very good. Look, it's only about 5 minutes and we've chopped all that down already. Just working on this corner here. Most of the grass cutting has been done already, so we're kind of clearing the area now, stacking it all up against the edges along the wall. Still got a little bit of grass cutting to do, but not a lot. Starting to take shape. And this back bit here, not sure what to do with this, but it's nice to see it all open again. And these are coconut trunks, coconut tree trunks. Alright, the boys have stopped for lunch, so let's have a little walk around and see. It's only been 3 hours, they've worked so hard. This team, I'm happy to have these guys. They are doing very well and they work fast, and I prefer that. So look at this, it's all cleared down. They've still got to pull a lot of these out because we're getting rid of all of them. And it's opened up all this area. Looks massive again. Loving it. It's got to clear all of this. Hopefully it doesn't grow back. It shouldn't do. Yeah, we need to clear up the weed that's around here. Just tidy all of this, move it back, and then I can get in with the lawnmower and cut it short. So, as I said before, these prettier ones will be coming out and going along this side here and in front of the house. So it's coming along nicely. Still got to cut down the dead banana leaves, but we've still got time. Alright, I've just skimmed over the front lawn here. It's looking much better. Just cut it down to number 2. It's not ready for a number 1 yet, but it's looking much better. Right, the boys were about to go home and they forgot about transplanting the new decorative plants, so we're going to put some here, some over there, and some at the front. You'll see that in a wee minute. There we go, it's the end of the day. I'm in my 3rd change of clothes because I've had 3 showers. So it looks very good. It's all chopped down. We have this sort of line here. It's falling down already, so the boys didn't pack it well enough. I don't think they're good at, oh, they've done this before. Usually they just cut grass and that's it, but I had them doing some extra stuff because I paid them a lot of money, you know, for here. But it looks very good. Look down there now, we've got that path all opened up. It started raining, so I'm not going to stay out too long, but it looks brilliant. It does look brilliant. There's the cat, a wee kitten. Saved it from a busy road. It was tiny when I got it. That's at 3 weeks or 1 month old already. Lucky wee bastard. So, yes, it's raining. It is raining. These will probably be blowing down. Oh no, the wind. When it rains here, God, the wind really gets strong. Here's what they look like at night time, and I think they look great. A couple of short ones there, but it won't take long for them to grow up, and it will give a bit more privacy, and it will help the sun rays stay away from the building. Okay, I'm going to go, so thank you very much for hanging around and watching the video, if you even got this long. Alright, thank you. and maybe see you in the next one.
Regal Golf. Subscribe.